What's up guys, Mark here at the Jeep Lab. Today we are doing a thermostat change out on a JKU, later model JKU, so 11 to 18. Basically throwing a code here, pretty simple change out, so video is pretty short. Basically you are going to loosen up a screw here. You're going to, typically you could leave the airbox cover on. We're actually cleaning out the airbox at the same time, so we went ahead and took the whole piece out. So you could typically loosen up the screw here for the band clamp, and then you're going to pull this out. You got two 10mm bolts to remove that will allow your intake to come out here. You can see we've got it over here on the ground still together. Don't forget to take the cover off first. But other than that, guys, pretty simple. This is down here is going to be the thermostat that we're going to remove. There is a plug on the bottom of those air intake tubes, so don't forget to pull that off. Don't yank it up too fast. So right now we decided to make this video because the first thing is to make sure the engine's cooled down. This one drove for about 45 minutes, so we let it sit for a little bit. I just checked it recently, still did push a little bit of fluid out, so we're letting it cool down some more. You can go ahead and pull this guy out of the way. It sits right here, which is kind of in the way because I'm actually going to have to remove this clamp here. I'll leave this one on here. So I went ahead and got that reservoir overflow bottle out of the way. But this is the part here. Get that out. This is the new thermostat. So we've got just two bolts holding that on. Again, we'll put this guy right in down there. Typical install time, I think if you had a Jeep that was already sitting, was already cool, probably about 20 minutes, man. It's pretty simple. Like I said, loosen up the two screws, do the unplug, two 10mm bolts, undo the clamp, the two bolts down here, switch it out. So pretty simple install, guys. Part number here that we are using, CarQuest part. So there it is. And there's the Jeep. Don't forget, if you got any questions, comments, post them below. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends about us. If you guys are looking for some help on an install, you can send us a message. We'd be sure to do a video for you if it's something that we do here in-house. All right, see ya.